The first exercise is tricep push-ups. I'm doing this in an elevated position with the bench just to make it a little bit easier, but you can do this on the ground as well for a little bit more difficulty. The key here is to keep your elbows in nice and tight so that you're feeling this in your triceps. And we're doing 10 of these. Next, we're doing plank front raises. You want to keep a really strong core foundation. You want your hips to move very minimally, and you're just raising that one arm at a time. You can do this with weights to make it more difficult, or you can be on the ground to make it more difficult as well. I'm doing the beginner's version, which is up on a bench. Next, we're doing renegade rows. So again, keeping that really tight core. And we're just isolating right in between our shoulder blade and our spine for each repetition. And again, you want your hips to move very minimally. Next, we have 10 renegade rows with tricep extension. So the exact same movement, except we're extending our arm at the top to engage that tricep muscle. And again, you can do this with weights as well if you'd like, or on the floor to make it more difficult. Next, we have 10 tricep dips. You want to have your fingers forward and coming down to 90 degrees and then back up again. And really make sure you squeeze at the top. The more weight you put on your feet, the easier this is, and the further your feet are away from the bench, the more difficult this is. Next, we have bent over tricep extensions. So you want your triceps to be parallel with the ground, and you're not using momentum to get your hands back, you're using the muscles. So really make sure you're not swinging here. After 10 repetitions, we are holding this motion for 10 seconds to finish the circuit. And we'll repeat this circuit 3 more times.